Hello all, my name is Dave Cottle, and this will be the first of my two showcase apps for this assignment. This particular application I will be covering today is VoiceThread. It can be found at www.voicethread.com, and it is recommended for all grade levels and all subject areas. VoiceThread is an application which is a cloud-based form of interactive screencasting. As you can see from the screenshot, it spans almost all digital devices, whether it be laptops, desktops, tablets, pads, phones, and can even be linked to some learning management systems. It allows for standalone or personal video or audio screencasting, or alternatively can be used to create group-based screencasts and lessons or projects available to anyone in the world regardless of place or time. I have logged on to the voicethread.com website and activated my account. I am currently in the public voice threads portion, which are voice threads which have been created by either individuals or institutions and are allowed to be broadcast anywhere in the world over various subjects. This application uses the cloud to store interactive screencasts created by its users and allows the users to open their content to others for feedback, interaction, or general sharing of information. It is an asynchronous mode of teaching/sharing of information and allows people separated by space and time to still interact and engage with one another in the subject matter being shared. I'm going to click on one of these public voice threads and show you what a completed voice thread looks like and how this asynchronous mode can be used in learning. I'm going to click here on a brief survey of American literature. And I'm going to click on the link here and hit play. This was created, as you can see, on September 29th, 2008 by member Scott S. It has over 5,000 views and 28 comments. Commenting on a voice thread allows other learners and the original creator to actually interact and share with each other.
I normally start my American Literature Survey course with the Pilgrims and the Puritans, but since I didn't search for any of those images, let's jump ahead and start with the Romantic period. This is an image of a man tarred and feathered. Edgar Allan Poe's The Raven, which is actually a poem, but it's a narrative poem, and you can see Edgar sitting there on the back right corner of the raft.
So here we see the author displaying some more of his pictures that he has created and narration. Down to the left-hand side of the screen here are other members or visitors of VoiceThread who are either commenting or engaging with him in this particular thread. If you click on them, you can actually see their comments. Now,
Scott, I love this picture. Demi Moore, this is funny. Good job.
Thread is an interesting tool, and several theories could likely be used to justify its use in various educational environments. For the purposes of this assignment, I will choose a theory we have covered in class, that being Vygotsky's sociocultural theory. As you can see here on the screen, these are various voice threads that people have made concerning Vygotsky. I will not go into these right now, I just have it queued up here for your viewing pleasure. Vygotsky believed that children learn through social interaction through the use of language, and that learning takes place within the zone of proximal development and requires others to help bring the learner out of their current state of understanding to a higher level by using the zone. These others are known as the MKO, or more knowledgeable others. What is unique about VoiceThread is the actual software itself can serve as a more knowledgeable other. As you can see on your screen, we have various tutorials here: how to create a voice thread, how to comment, how to share the voice thread, doodling on the voice thread, and how to moderate comments that are left on your voice thread. This is a form of scaffolding for new learners to this, but primarily my intention with talking about Vygotsky was that VoiceThread itself is a form of scaffolding when used by the instructor or the teacher or facilitator of learning to share learning with others, especially with comment moderation. And by engaging the other learners or readers or viewers of the VoiceThread, we're able to create a community of learning and also scaffold the education being shared and to moderate and expand on it. especially being an asynchronous type of tool. I believe Vygotsky's theory works very well with it. That's all I have for this particular showcase of educational applications. Please, if you're interested, go ahead and check out VoiceThread.com and learn more about it. I find it to be a somewhat useful tool for just about anything you could want to learn. Thank you.